Austin City Council members made the first of 3 votes today to overhaul the city's land development code. The latest revision passed this evening with a 7-4 vote. All 11 council members submitted amendments to the draft code. City staff say they plan to create new maps to show the changes and make them available to the public. Council members are expected to give a final vote by late March. The new code is designed to add hundreds of thousands of new homes to Austin. That has many people worried. If we're adding density, is that going to make flooding even worse here? KXAN's Yoojin show took a closer look at the draft code and found out how it addresses flood risks.
Many people told council members they live in fear.
When you have floods, everybody loses everything.
Anna Farrell-Sherman with Environment Texas also knows when it rains, it pours.
My street, whenever it rains heavily, there's a river of water running down the side of the street.
She says the draft code that passed first reading is a welcome change because more buildings will be required to have flood mitigation features. An example, rain gardens. They fill up when it rains. The water then slowly drains instead of flooding nearby roads. We also sat down with Felicia Foster, who's an architect.
Is this proposed code going to make flooding worse in our city? How would you answer that question?
I'd say no.
She told us transition zones or high opportunity areas where the city wants more housing units built are along corridors that can handle the growth. And even if the code allows for multiple units,
Flood zone's going to trump new land development code.
Last month, council voted to expand Austin's 100-year floodplain. That means the city's following the new rainfall map called Atlas 14, adding more than 3,000 homes and businesses to flood zones.
Look at this right here on Winstead.
There, the new code would allow you to build up to 3 units per lot. But because this is now in a flood zone, Foster says you're still limited to just 1 unit per lot.
Flood map, because it is a life safety issue, that is going to take precedent over any entitlements that the new land development code may open up.
Yoojin Cho, KXAN News.
The Atlas 14 study changed the way city leaders see historic rainfall. Before that study, Austin's watershed department believed there was a 1% chance of 10 inches of rain falling in 24 hours in Austin in any given year. That was the definition of the 100-year storm. But the study showed that amount of rain is expected to happen more often. The new 100 storm will be closer to 13 inches of rain. That is similar to the current 500-year storm.